Veganism, a dietary choice emphasizing plant-based foods and avoiding animal products, emerged as a significant trend in the mid-1940s. Originating in India with practices like Jainism, which advocate non-violence towards all living beings, veganism gained prominence globally through the publication of Mediterranean Diet Pyramid by Ancel Keys in 1973. This document emphasized plant-based diets due to their high vegetable content and lower risk for heart disease. The United States witnessed a surge in vegans following Richard H. Wales' publication Vegan: The Essential Guide in 1985. Key developments include the founding of Vegan Society in Britain in 1944 and the establishment of PETA's Vegan Initiative in 2007. The global impact of this movement can be seen through the rise of vegan food products such as Beyond Meat, Beyond Burgers, and Impossible Foods plant-based burgers. In Europe, sales of these products reached €2 billion by 2021, with projected growth at a compound annual rate of about 35% from 2021 to 2026. Veganism has also influenced agricultural practices, leading to the development of crops like soy and rice as sustainable meat alternatives. On one hand, vegan diets offer numerous health benefits, including reduced risk of heart disease, hypertension, diabetes, and certain cancers, while being more environmentally friendly due to lower carbon emissions from food production. On the other hand, the cost of vegan products remains higher compared to animal-derived foods, making it challenging for low-income populations to adopt these dietary changes. Veganism's long-term effects will depend on global agricultural practices and technological advancements. However, by 2050, projections suggest that vegan diets could decrease greenhouse gas emissions by up to 70%, leading to significant environmental improvements. Additionally, the demand for plant-based foods is projected to surge due to growing consumer awareness of health benefits and sustainability issues. Future developments in AI-driven food technology may further streamline ingredient sourcing and production processes, making vegan meals more accessible and appealing across different socio-economic groups globally.